Imagine this. You've got a business idea. Maybe it's a product, a service, or an app. You're excited. You spend months perfecting it, building it in secret, polishing every detail. Then launch day comes and no one shows up. This is the story of countless entrepreneurs. That's why the Lean Startup by Eric Ries exists, to show you a smarter way to build a business. One that's faster, leaner, and rooted in real-world learning. Today, we're diving deep into this game-changing book, and if you're building anything from scratch, this could save you years of wasted time. So, what is a lean startup? The core idea is simple. Instead of spending time making the perfect product, start with something basic, something that works, and learn from real customers fast. It's not about guessing what people want, it's about testing it, adjusting, and growing based on truth, not theory. Let's talk about the MVP, the minimum viable product. This is a key concept in the book. An MVP is the simplest version of your product that still delivers value. It's not your dream version. It's your first test. Think of Dropbox. Their MVP wasn't even software. It was a demo video explaining how the product would work. People loved it, and that demand validated the idea before a single line of code was written. The takeaway? Don't build in silence. Build to learn. Now, enter the build, measure, learn loop. This is the heart of the lean startup method. First, you build something small. Then you measure how people interact with it. Finally, you learn from the data and adjust. Instead of guessing, you're running experiments. Instead of working in the dark, you're shining a light on what actually works. This loop lets you move fast, cut your losses, and double down on what works. It's entrepreneurship with a feedback loop, and it's what separates winning startups from wasted efforts. Let's talk pivoting. Sometimes, the data tells you your idea isn't working, and that's not failure. That's learning. Eric Ries says great startups pivot. They keep the vision, but change the path. Instagram started as a check-in app. YouTube started as a dating site. Slack came from a failed video game company. What made them succeed? They listened. They learned. They adapted. That's the lean way. Metrics matter, but not all metrics. Rise makes a powerful point. Most entrepreneurs obsess over vanity metrics. Likes, page views, downloads. But these can lie. What you really need are actionable metrics, numbers that show how users behave, not just how many clicked. Are people coming back? Are they referring others? Are they taking the core action that drives your business? These are the metrics that matter, and they tell the real story. Let's get real. Building a startup is messy. There's uncertainty. There's risk. But the lean startup gives you a compass. Not a step-by-step manual, but a mindset. It's a way to approach your idea like a scientist. To treat failure as data. To stay flexible, fast, and focused. This mindset works not just for startups, but for content creators, solopreneurs, even corporate innovation teams. It's not about size. It's about speed, learning, and smart decisions. Here's how I've used this in my own creative journey. When launching The Dive, I didn't wait until everything was perfect. I started with what I had, a simple setup, a clear concept, and the will to learn fast. Each video, each post, each comment is feedback. I build, I measure, I learn. And that's the power of this approach. It keeps you moving. It turns fear into curiosity. And it gives you real traction fast. Let's wrap this up with some key takeaways. Don't build in isolation. Start small, start now. Launch your MVP, then listen hard. Use real data to decide what's next. Pivot when needed, and don't treat it like failure. Measure what matters. Ditch vanity metrics. Build, measure, learn, repeat. That's the loop. And finally, if you're dreaming of launching something, a business, a brand, a product, don't wait until it's perfect. Launch lean. Stay curious. Let the world shape what you build. Because the Lean Startup isn't just a book. It's a way of creating that makes success a process, not a lucky break. If this resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe. Tomorrow, we're diving into another unconventional book for modern creators, Rework by Jason Fried and David Heinemeier Hansson, a fresh take on business, simplicity, and breaking the rules. Until then, keep building.
Keep testing.
Keep learning. The dive continues.